Hi, students. It's Miss B. Today, we're going to be practicing drums. You're going to search Bookaboo Drum Kit, and it will take you to this website, the www.cbc.ca. Click on that link. This will take you to the Canadian Broadcasting Company website. It's like PBS, but for the country of Canada. Bookaboo Drum Kit has this little puppy right here. You're going to click on the play button. This is going to be loud, so be prepared. And there we go. And as it loads up, you're going to notice that there are letters on here and numbers that match your computer keyboard. If I were to touch the letter Q on my computer keyboard, it would hit that symbol right there. You can also use your mouse pointer. Or you can even touch the screen if you happen to have a touch screen, which I don't, but that's okay. Play around for this a little bit. We are thinking particularly about rhythm and playing those patterns. So see which kinds of patterns that you can play, what songs you can play on this drum kit. You can use any part of it and write down the number or the letter if I wanted to make the pattern like our teacher clapping pattern and I wanted to use the drums. I would have D, D, V, V, D. And I would make sure to write the D space, D space, two V's together, and then D. That way I know that the ones that were for the D are your quarter notes, and those V's, that is 2/8 notes. Go ahead and copy down the pattern that you made and send it to me through PowerSchool. Most importantly, have fun. Bye.